Introducing the new Sport aluminum chair, built for adventure. Side storage pockets. Keep your phone and bottle within easy reach. Free bonus, built-in umbrella holder. Stay cool and protected from the sun. Spacious back storage plus 2 side rod holders. Perfect for fishing trips. Lightweight and secure. Easily ties down for stability. Works with most golf umbrellas. Easily secure with lashing tie downs. Wind tested up to 20 miles per hour. Adventure ready and reliable. Whether you're paddling, fishing, or relaxing, this chair delivers unbeatable comfort and functionality. Take your kayak, paddleboard, or outdoor setup to the next level with this versatile, lightweight chair designed for comfort and convenience. Ride in comfort, fish in style.